All 3 legs, free flight, and it had a 6-hour layover in New Jersey. So I'm so excited to see my parents. Here we go, leaving US. Actually, not really, we're going back to San Francisco. It's one day, it's like a 30-hour flight total, but we'll eventually get to South America.
Please review the safety card located near your seat. Store your tray table, carry-on items. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Time to go to sleep. Welcome to San Francisco. So we made it, and now we're heading to our gate that takes off from San Francisco to Newark. So this is the second leg of the 3-leg trip. By the way, all 3 legs, free flight. Yes, that's right. So you know how hard we have been working. Whoa, this moving walkway is spongy. It's so interesting. You know how hard we have been working to use our credit card and to get those points, and we are redeeming our points right now. So the whole flight from Hawaii to Argentina cost $11 for both of us. That was just the taxes. So that's exciting. It's still dark outside. It's local time's 5 a.m. Time in Hawaii is still 2 a.m. So we didn't sleep very good on the plane. We were supposed to sleep for all 5 hours. I maybe slept 2.5, but we have to try to stay awake now and then sleep on the 3rd leg of the flight. But right now I'm excited because guess what? I get to go see my parents. So excited. So spongy, isn't it? So interesting. Alright, so I'm not seeing my parents in a year. So when I saw this flight that went to Newark, New Jersey before going on to Argentina, and it had a 6-hour layover in New Jersey, I called my parents up. They live an hour and a half from the airport, and so I was like, hey, would you guys want to drive and like come hang out with us for like 4 hours? And they said yes. So I'm so excited to see my parents.
Exit walk, you're willing and able to assist the flight crew?
Yes.
Thank you.
I have never actually visited San Francisco before, so this is super cool. I can actually see the Golden Gate Bridge. Didn't show very good in the video, but definitely see it from the air. It's so cool.
Barely see the bridge.
No, sir, securely fastened. Just in case you do have an encounter any type of unexpected route there. Time en route today, 5 hours and 10 minutes. Right now, looks like we're gonna have you there about 10 minutes early, depending on any type of delays you might have in the Newark area.
Your French toast with apples, that does smell delicious. Currently over Colorado. I see the One World Trade Center. I see the Empire State Building. That was super cool. Just saw a Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building flying in. And yep, we're here for 6 hours before we take off tonight to Argentina. All right, we have landed. Now, it was somewhere in Asia that I decided that I wanted my first meal back to be Chick-fil-A. I didn't think I was gonna get Chick-fil-A until July when we got back to Colorado. But I asked my mom and dad, and they are bringing us Chick-fil-A. So I am so excited for our lunch. I also had another weird request from my mom. See, in Abu Dhabi at Christmas time, I really wanted Christmas cookies, and I couldn't find them anywhere. And so I asked my mom to make us Christmas cookies, just the sugar cookies, frosted. I don't know if that will happen, but I know for sure we're getting Chick-fil-A. So either way, I am so excited. I'm really just excited to see my parents for a couple hours, because if we didn't see them now in June, it wasn't going to be until October that I was going to see both of them. Look, these tables all have like iPads and stuff on them. This has definitely been upgraded. We've flown through Newark before and it's never been this nice. See all the tables have iPads. Interesting.
See him?
Dear!
No.
Oh, were you going to say, there you are, there you are! Hi! We'll hop in, we'll just hop in. That doesn't work. Hi!
Oh!
Hi, you're here!
So where were
Hi!
you? Hello. Hi. Did you come? Were you on this level and then you just came out and saw us?
So it's, yeah.
We'll let you out.
I can't believe you found us.
That's pretty fast. Pretty
Yeah.
So it was funny, when we flew out of San Francisco, we saw the Golden Gate Bridge, and then we just saw the Statue of Liberty coming in.
You did?
Yeah, we were on the right side of the plane. You did make us cookies?
I made you cookies. And it says, God loves you.
Oh.
But then I did frost. Oh, and it did get sticky.
Well, that's
I
alright.
tried not to. And then we have Christmas trees.
What?
Christmas trees.
That's the good frosting that you make. That one right there.
All the good frosting.
Oh, we got Chick-fil-A. Oh my goodness. Christmas tree in June. So good, Mom. I love your frosting.
What's the first picnic you've had in a year?
Well, we've had picnics, just not with like a tablecloth.
Are you going to feed every second of our...
Welcome to our new life.
Welcome to our new life. I have to record in order to make a video.
Oh my goodness.
This is my dad. This
Life
is
will
my
never
mom.
be the same when you're around
And
us
we've
now.
missed you. This is so cool.
I know.
To see you.
Wait, what is this?
Put a towel
Feel how hot that is.
in the oven.
Feel how hot that is.
You wet the towel, put it in the oven, wrap it in tin foil.
To do what?
That's a lot of work.
To keep your French fries
Just so you can keep your French fries warm.
Feel how.
Wait, why did you get three
That's a
things
lot
of
of
French fries? Goodness. I said one fried is what Preem, Peter, and I. We don't eat that much anymore.
One between you two, and one for Dad, and one for me.
Oh, okay.
Nah.
I asked my mom for Chick-fil-A sauce and she didn't disappoint. Got like, what, 4 or 5?
Still bring them out, you know.
Wait, how many do you have?
We already used 2.
You got 8?
8 of them.
Oh my goodness.
And there's mayo.
Alright, I asked my mom for 3 things. Chick-fil-A, Christmas cookies, and winter gear. I.e. hat, gloves, and a coat. And this is what I have to choose from for my winter gear.
This is bagging
Okay,
stuff.
this is...
Whatever this is you wanted.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah,
this, this you wanted. This you wanted.
Oh, good. We just ordered
So,
stuff on
okay.
Amazon.
Good.
All right.
And then
Yeah.
what is in here?
In there is your gloves, and
Oh, goodness.
there's your mail.
Packing tape. Oh my goodness. This is all of our mail for the year?
Alright, I'm gonna go through that.
Holy cow. Wait, why is there a package?
Oh, that's your Christmas
Oh,
present.
our Christmas present? Thanks. Our ornament.
Peter, do you want one of these for your ears?
No.
Yeah, I want
I won't
these.
wear those if I do.
You want gray or black?
I think I said black, didn't I? But maybe I want
did.
gray.
Because you're going to winter.
We are going to winter. Alrighty, so this is all packed up, ready to go to Peter's parents in Minnesota. So the drone, is it seriously that heavy, Mom? Can you stop being so dramatic?
Decide to carry that around.
But that's also my Gorilla Pod.
Yeah, it's about 7 pounds, I would say. We've gotten rid of 13.5 pounds now of stuff between this and then what we sent home in South Korea.
Haven't put that.
Playing a game of Cube. You probably already know this about me, but I love games, and I get this from my family. So, of course, with our limited time we have together, we've got to play a game of Cube. You homemade this set, didn't you? Just like from wood at Home Depot? I love it. I learned budget frugalness from this guy. Woo! Are you serious, you guys? You got 4 down? Are you kidding me? Ah, goodness gracious. I am not a good teammate. Leaving my dad to do all the work. Good job, Dad. You got it. Last one here. Can he do 2? Good job, though. You got 3 down. I didn't get any with my 3. They were so close, too. Mom and Peter are totally rocking this. Oh, man, they're going for the victory. That's how you gotta do it. Throw between your legs to get the king. Oh, no, babe. Oh, no. It might not be over yet. We're making a triple stack up over there. Oh! And as you can see, our line is still all the way up.
Didn't even touch your line.
I know. I think we should try again.
We have 15 minutes.
Let's try again.
We won the first one now. They called for rematch and she overshot.
All too much energy there.
You need more speed. Oh!
This probably is it. Oh! Peter under pressure. Quite get time to finish the game. We gotta get after our flight. All that Peter and Mom have to do is knock over the king. We took a picture of exactly how it's set up. When we're together next in October, we will recreate this so Mom and Peter can win. Unless I'm just on fire that day, and then we're totally coming back. Alright, so our flight is now taking off to Buenos Aires. We will be in South America now for the next 7 weeks. So excited. It'll be quite an adventure. What a last way to round off our 1 year around the world trip. Excited to this flight that we've taken from Hawaii all the way down to Argentina with United is free thanks to our Chase Sapphire Rewards credit card. We've been working so hard to get these points and it's finally paid off. Otherwise this flight would have been $1,900, but instead it was $11 for both of us with taxes. I'll leave a link below for that amazing travel credit card if you are interested in that. Check it out. Might as well get extra perks with the money you're already spending. We are now boarding. We gotta go. People were trying to get some last minute work done. It was nice to see my family. Oh, so glad that it worked out to see my parents. It was only a couple hours, but it was so worth it. All right, time to go. Butternut squash tortellini for me, and chicken and ranchero beans for Peter. Red and white wine.
Oh yeah. Check this out. Lemon sorbet.
After 30 hours of transition time from Hawaii, we have landed in Argentina. Woohoo!
Sugar cookies.
See where I get my facial expressions
Mom's
from?
been waiting to be on here.
Yeah. Peter, I thought I was filming your double hit, but I didn't. Are you kidding